Hey guys, this is Mark. In this video I will demonstrate how to use codeless logic and UI Builder to delete files in the file storage of your Backendless application. If you are going through Backendless missions and you are on a delete a file using API, this is exactly the video to watch, that it provides clear demonstration for that task. The file we will be deleting must be in the mission directory right here. If you click on Files on the backend, in the backend section of Backendless console, click Files. You should have a directory called Mission, and in there is a file called superfast.html. So we'll be focusing specifically on this file. Back in UI Builder, let's add a button that will be deleting that file, and let's change the button label to Delete File. The ID will be Delete File Button. And let's add logic for the button to delete that file. So click on the logic icon, add the on-click event, and then if you go into the File API under Backendless right here, you will see a block that says Delete File connected to the handler, and then just specify the path mission/superfast.html. Of course, when you build your own applications, you can compose the paths dynamically using other mechanisms. Specifically, if you need to compose a text consisting of multiple parts, this will be the block create text with, or it could be a variable, whatever makes sense in your application. But as far as our task, that's all it is going to take. And now we can run this page, click the button, and if we go back to the backend, here it is. The file is gone. The directory is there because we're just deleting only the file. So the codeless logic did exactly what we needed to do. I do hope you found this useful. Thank you for watching this video, and as always, happy codeless coding.